Hi guys, welcome back to part 7 of my TWS mini album swap for January, and I'm just taking some lace ribbon here and I'm just cutting out some individual flower sections, and they shouldn't fray because they're actually each petal and section of that flower is like it's a satin stitch around the edges, so you can easily cut around without cutting and causing fraying to the edges. So I've cut out 3 of those, and just looking to see how they'll fit on that page. And they're going to sit on a piece of acetate, and the acetate's going to be used as a pocket. So just adhering some 1/4 inch sticky strip onto that acetate piece, and the flowers, the lace flowers, should cover the sticky strip there when they're adhered to the top of it. And I'm now just attaching those lace flowers using some glue dots. Now I end up adhering these to the acetate piece without colouring them, and realised later on that I should have coloured them, and it actually worked out for the better in the end, and you'll see why in a minute. Yeah, that glue dot wasn't working too well, so just replacing it with a new glue dot. Okay, so you'll see there that's covered most of the sticky strip. And now just selecting some flower, flower bling there, and just selecting the right colour, and they're all the same colour there that are on those flower petals, and they're from Maya Road, jewel flowers they're called. And attaching those to the centre of the flowers using glue dots as well. Okay, so my mistake that I was talking about earlier was that I thought I should have maybe glimmer misted them, because when I put them on and put the attached the flower bling there, I realised that it was a bit too bright for the tone of the page. So in order to tone it down, I decided to just use the glimmer mist by painting it on each of the petals inside the outer edges with some glimmer mist, and it gave it probably a better effect than if I had have glimmer misted the whole flower. So this way you've got the white edges, but you've got it toned down with that glimmer mist on the petals. And I just got that piece of board underneath each of the petals that I'm working on so that it doesn't go through to the acetate. So then that page is complete, ready for a pocket to be inserted. A tag, or a photo, which I'm now making. Okay, so this is a trifold, and just scoring the edges. And using a Heidi swap damask and going over, sponging over that with aged mahogany distress ink. And now edging around the edges there with the aged mahogany, and taking the little doll's images and journal notes and selecting a journal tag, and I didn't think the top half matched the paper, so I decided just to use the bottom half, and then ink the edges using the aged mahogany, I think. Yep. And then glued it down with my ATG. Now just using the Tim Holtz edger tool there to rough up the edges, and then ink the edges with the aged mahogany, and then attach it to a section of that trifold. And just grabbing another journal piece there and doing the same sort of thing with it. And I think that's all I do to that trifold. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 8. Bye.